Here I have Dongfeng box, and let me show you how to get access to the disclaimer on this car. So at the very beginning, let's open the settings. So let's use this blue icon right here. From the left tab, let's select the last one, which is the vehicle information. Select here system, and here you can get access to disclaimer. So I won't be reading this out loud, but you can read it. I will scroll down. You can pause the video if you would like to read the whole disclaimer information. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.